Welcome to this video on industrial chemistry, chemical manufacturing. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of chemical manufacturing, which is an essential part of the modern industrial landscape. Chemical manufacturing involves the production of a wide range of chemicals, including industrial chemicals, specialty chemicals, and consumer chemicals. Chemical manufacturing is a complex process that involves a range of chemical reactions, physical processes, and engineering principles. The goal of chemical manufacturing is to produce high-quality chemicals that meet the needs of various industries, including pharmaceuticals, agriculture, textiles, and electronics. Chemical manufacturing is a highly regulated industry, with strict safety and environmental regulations in place to ensure the safe handling and disposal of chemicals. Chemical manufacturers must adhere to these regulations to protect the health and safety of workers, consumers, and the environment. In this video, we will take a closer look at the chemical manufacturing process, including the raw materials used, the various stages of production, and the different types of chemicals produced. We will also explore the challenges and opportunities facing the chemical manufacturing industry today. So, let's dive into the world of chemical manufacturing and explore the fascinating science behind it. Chemical manufacturing involves the use of a wide range of raw materials, including natural resources and synthetic compounds. The raw materials used in chemical manufacturing can be broadly classified into three categories: feedstocks, intermediates, and catalysts. Feedstocks are the basic raw materials used in chemical manufacturing. They can be derived from natural resources such as crude oil, natural gas, coal, and biomass. These feedstocks are processed to produce a range of chemicals, including plastics, fertilizers, and pharmaceuticals. Intermediates are chemicals that are produced during the chemical manufacturing process and are used as raw materials for further chemical reactions. Intermediates are essential for the production of complex chemicals and are often produced in large quantities. Catalysts are substances that are used to speed up chemical reactions or to make them more efficient. Catalysts are used in many chemical manufacturing processes to reduce the amount of energy required and to increase the yield of the desired product. The choice of raw materials used in chemical manufacturing depends on a range of factors, including the desired properties of the final product, the availability and cost of raw materials, and the environmental impact of the manufacturing process. In recent years, there has been a growing focus on using renewable raw materials in chemical manufacturing to reduce the industry's environmental impact. Biomass, for example, can be used as a feedstock to produce a range of chemicals, including biofuels and bioplastics. In the next segment, we will explore the various stages of the chemical manufacturing process and how raw materials are transformed into finished products. Chemical manufacturing involves a series of stages, each of which is essential for the production of high-quality chemicals. The stages of chemical manufacturing can be broadly classified into four categories: synthesis, separation, purification, and finishing. Synthesis is the first stage of chemical manufacturing, where raw materials are transformed into intermediate products through a series of chemical reactions. This stage involves the use of catalysts, heat, and pressure to promote chemical reactions and to produce the desired intermediate products. Separation is the second stage of chemical manufacturing, where the intermediate products are separated from the reaction mixture. This stage involves the use of various separation techniques, including distillation, crystallization, and chromatography. Purification is the third stage of chemical manufacturing, where the separated intermediate products are purified to remove impurities and to obtain the desired chemical product. This stage involves the use of various purification techniques, including filtration, evaporation, and recrystallization. Finishing is the final stage of chemical manufacturing, where the purified chemical product is processed to obtain the desired physical and chemical properties. This stage involves the use of various finishing techniques, including milling, blending, and packaging. The chemical manufacturing process is highly complex and requires a range of specialized equipment and expertise. Chemical manufacturers must adhere to strict safety and environmental regulations to ensure the safe handling and disposal of chemicals. In the next segment, we will explore the different types of chemicals produced in chemical manufacturing and their applications in various industries. Chemical manufacturing produces a wide range of chemicals, including industrial chemicals, specialty chemicals, and consumer chemicals. Let's take a closer look at each of these categories. Industrial chemicals are chemicals that are used in large quantities by various industries, including agriculture, textiles, and electronics. Some examples of industrial chemicals include sulfuric acid, ammonia, and sodium hydroxide. These chemicals are produced in large quantities and are essential for the production of various products. Specialty chemicals are chemicals that are produced in smaller quantities and are used for specific applications. These chemicals are often used in the production of high-value products such as pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and specialty polymers. Some examples of specialty chemicals include flavors and fragrances, surfactants, and catalysts. Consumer chemicals are chemicals that are used by consumers in their daily lives. These chemicals include cleaning products, personal care products, and cosmetics. Consumer chemicals must meet strict safety and environmental regulations to ensure the safety of consumers and the environment. Chemical manufacturing plays a critical role in the modern industrial landscape, providing essential chemicals for various industries and products. However, the chemical manufacturing industry also faces various challenges, including the need to reduce its environmental impact and to develop sustainable manufacturing processes. In the final segment, we will explore the future of chemical manufacturing and the innovations that are driving the industry forward. The chemical manufacturing industry is constantly evolving, driven by advances in technology, changes in consumer demand, and the need to reduce its environmental impact. Let's take a look at some of the innovations that are driving the industry forward. Green chemistry is an emerging field that focuses on developing sustainable chemical manufacturing processes. Green chemistry aims to reduce the use of hazardous chemicals, minimize waste, and increase the efficiency of chemical reactions. This approach has the potential to revolutionize the chemical manufacturing industry and to reduce its environmental impact. Nanotechnology is another area of innovation that is transforming the chemical manufacturing industry. Nanotechnology involves the manipulation of materials at the nanoscale level, which has the potential to create new materials with unique properties. This technology has applications in various industries, including electronics, medicine, and energy. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are also being used in chemical manufacturing to optimize production processes and to develop new materials. These technologies can analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns that would be difficult for humans to detect. In addition to these innovations, the chemical manufacturing industry is also focused on reducing its environmental impact by developing sustainable manufacturing processes and using renewable raw materials. In conclusion, chemical manufacturing is a complex and essential part of the modern industrial landscape. The industry is constantly evolving, driven by advances in technology and the need to reduce its environmental impact. By embracing innovation and sustainability, the chemical manufacturing industry has the potential to create a more sustainable and prosperous future.